Welcome to the Star Vista Carving Tools for Wood channel, carving tools for wood. Today, I want to show you a universal wood carving set that is perfect for absolutely all types of carving: relief, sculptural, decorative, artistic carving for furniture, geometric, as well as woodcrafts and paintings. This is a professional set of chisels that includes 30 different blades, and it's suitable both for beginners just starting out in wood carving and for experienced craftsmen looking to update the tools in their workshop. This set includes different types of chisels: straight, semicircular, shallow, angled, spoon gouges, carving gouges, and knives. Thanks to this, you can work in various carving styles, from cutting lines and outlines to background removal and working on fine details. It's also worth paying special attention to the quality of the tools themselves. The chisels are made of carbon steel, which holds a sharp edge well and allows you to work cleanly and precisely. The handles are made of oak and coated with linseed oil, so the tool fits well in your hand, doesn't slip, and is comfortable to use even for long periods. Another important point: the tools come already sharpened, so you can start working with them right after purchase without any lengthy preparation. The set includes a wide variety of profiles, which is very convenient when working. There are straight ones, first profile, shallow ones, fifth, seventh, and eighth profiles, semicircular, ninth profile, and angled ones at 45, 60, and 90 degrees. There are also spoon gouges and reverse spoon gouges, a parting tool, and knife. This set is a universal solution for any carver, whether you work with sculptures, paintings, decorative elements, furniture, or geometric carving. It's suitable for both beginners and professionals who can have all the tools they need at hand. If you enjoyed this review, please support the video with a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos about carving. And be sure to write in the comments which chisels you use most often and what you're currently carving.